Izakhamuzi zase Bushbuckridge eMpumalanga ziwemukele ngezandla ezimhlophe umkhankaso wokuhlolelwa iCovid-19.
Kungenwa imiti ngemiti kuyahlolwa. Labanye abantu bayakwemukela lokhu kanti labanye bavele bachubeke ngemisebenzi yabo yamalanga onke.
We like it about this door-to-door corona testing because it is helping us a lot, because it is helping us a lot about the distance, because we don't have to move around a lot.
I did test a long time before when I was at Joburg, but now when I was here I didn't test it, but I wanted to test if it's possible.
Bonke ke bomasipala balesifundza bayachubeka ngalolu hlelo lokuvakashela umuti ngemuti bahlole abantu laba bakhanza khona. Ngalesikhathi kuchubeka lokhu labo labahlaselwa kakhulu ngilesifo emimangweni bayakhuthazwa ukuthi baye emitholampilo ledute nabo ukuthi bathole umgomo wemkhuhlane.
People will be coming to their homes, they must welcome them, they must allow them to do their work so that it's for the benefit of all of us, their benefit and us also as a department and everyone else, so that we are safe during this time.
Emaqembu langetulu kwelishumi angene yonke indzawo yase Bushbuckridge endalo luhlolo.
COVID-19 isenkingeni la eMpumalanga.
Siphephile kunene, SABC Bushbuckridge.